Now let's take a look at the GTR input file that I used earlier and see these parameters in real action. In order to do that, we go back to the MT4 strategy tester environment. The EA is GTR 4.1, like in the introduction demo. The time period is from January this year, but this time I'm going to show also this run in visual mode. I will extend the graph screen like this, so we have a better look at the real behavior of the EA. As you can see here, I have checked the visual mode for this run of the strategy tester. Let's start. I personally like to see the graphs in candlesticks, so I change it here. Now we can see that the EA started to run starting January 1st this year, 2016. Here in the upper left corner you can see a brief real-time summary. We have process running 1, a single process configuration. The global profit so far is 0, 1 process, and up trades 0, down trades 0, because the price didn't hit neither the upper level nor the lower level. Here the price went lower and hit level number 1. It means it went through 100 pips, and now the volume that was opened is 0.1. The order is a buy order. We can expedite this run by moving a bit this scale to the right. Now it will start running much faster. Okay, that was really an accelerated motion. You've seen that few more levers were opened and the EA actually finished in take profit. Now, since the auto restart is yes, the EA automatically restarted, went up, and opened the first trade in the first upper level. Again, I'll accelerate the run. First, second, third series of trades were opened, and here we go. It also finished in take profit. You can see here that once the price moves upper, it's starting by hitting the first level and opening sell 0.1, hitting the second layer and opening the 0.2, hitting also the third layer, opening 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. All of them are sell orders. Again, a bit of a turbo mode. That's it. All the trades are closed. The EA finished in take profit. Another run is underway. Again, went up and opened 0.1, went up, hitting the second layer, opening 0.2, and so on and so forth. Oops. Okay, now also hit the take profit, and all trades are closed. The EA restarts. I'll make some more demonstration runs like this in later lectures.